Hello, Bruce here from Panasonic, and this is how to do a thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to plumb your JD1 heat pump dryer for continuous drain, so that each time you do a drying load, you don't have to continue emptying the water reservoir at the top. It's a really simple process and it comes with all the parts you need in the box. You simply need to change the pipes around in the back and add in an additional pipe, which we're going to do today. So, let's get started. Okay, so this is what you'll normally see at the back of your heat pump dryer. There are two black pipes that are going from the top to the bottom. This one here on the inside is pumping your water from your clothing into this little reservoir here, which is then pumped all the way to the top with a little tiny pump into your water catchment on the other side, which you then empty all the time. Now it's a really simple process to change this around for continuous drain. You simply take this pipe off and plumb that or plug it into here so that it's out of the way. Then you take the second pipe that you get from your heat pump dryer, which is usually found on the inside, and plumb that simply to here, so that when the pump pumps the water out, it will then pump through this pipe, which you then set up in your waste along with the pipe that you use for your laundry or your washing machine for continuous waste. And that's it. Cool. If you are looking for more information on the heat pump dryer or how to do things for either your laundry or other products that Panasonic do, be sure to check us out at panasonic.com and check out our YouTube channel at PanaStudio NZ. Thanks for watching. See you next time.